I cannot wait to see everything. Where should we go first?
Let's stay close together, everyone. This place gets very crowded.
Look at that giant teddy bear! I want to win it!
We have to ride that roller coaster before we leave today.
Let's get some snacks here before we go on any rides.
That game looks really cool. I will just go take a quick look. Okay, Tyler, but stay close, all right? Wow, look at all those prizes on the wheel! I should probably head back now. Mom? Dad? Where did everyone go? I am lost. I am really, really lost. Okay, Tyler, think. What did Dad always say to do? Find someone who works here. Stay in one place. That is what he said.
Where is Tyler? He was right here a minute ago.
The game booth was right over there. He should be close by. He said he was just going to look at that game booth.
He is not here. Where could he have gone?
We need to split up and look. He could be anywhere by now.
Ryan, you check that way. Mom and I will look over there with Zoe.
Almost there, just stay calm. Excuse me, I think I am lost. Can you help me? You are safe now. Let's find your family together, okay? My mom and dad are somewhere near the food stalls. We will make an announcement right now over the speakers. Thank you. I hope they hear it soon. Tyler, where are you? Tyler, where are you? Tyler, where are you?
Have you seen a boy in a red shirt, about 13 years old?
Is Tyler going to be okay, Mommy?
We are going to find him, sweetheart. I promise. Where could you have gone, Tyler?
Attention, please. We have a lost child named Tyler at the main help booth.
Attention, we have a lost child. Tyler, please come to the main gate. That is him! They found Tyler! Thank goodness they found him! Let's go now! Mom, Dad, you are here! We were so worried about you. Are you all right? I am okay now. I was so scared, but I remembered what Dad taught me.
You did exactly the right thing. I am so proud of you. Don't scare us like that again, little brother. If you are ever lost, always find someone who works there and stay in one place.
I will remember that. I promise.
Now let's go ride that roller coaster together!
Today was scary, but I am so glad we are all together again.